Hi, good morning. I'm Dr. Butch Villena. I'm a diplomate of the Philippine Academy of Family Physicians. Together with me is...
Hi, I'm Anya Aquino.
The reason why we're here is to talk about health and of course, a wonderful product of the company. Ang pangalan nito is VitaDrain. Now, ganito yan, Annie. To start with, according to studies, cardiovascular diseases nowadays is said to be comprising 30% of the leading cause of death around the world. And alam mo sa Pilipinas, napatunayan nila, 1 out of 5 Filipinos, okay, may suffer from heart diseases and they die from heart diseases.
So ano po ba yung mga reasons bakit dumadami lalo yung mga nagkakaroon ng heart disease?
Yung tinatanong mo, number 1 talaga is lifestyle.
Lifestyle. So what are the factors po ng lifestyle na nakaka-apekto dyan?
Ganito, exercise is number 1.
Exercise.
Exercise, ganito ang usapan, Ani. Para talaga maging healthy tayo, at least 3 times a week, at least, non-exercise ang ginagawa natin. Now, number 2 tayo, sleeping pattern.
So ano po ba talaga yung dapat na pattern na healthy?
At least 8 hours a day para makapag-regenerate tayo ng enough cells para maging healthy talaga yung katawan natin.
Aside from that, ano pa po?
Food.
Okay, food.
Diet.
Dapat tamang diet.
Diet.
Ano po ba talaga yung tamang diet?
According to the WHO, okay, we need to at least eat 5 fruits and 5 vegetables every day.
Wow, medyo
Okay.
madami. Eh, ano naman po yung mga kailangang iwasan?
Yung tinatawag ng mga fried food.
Siyempre
Mga
yan pa
prito.
naman po yung masarap. Di ba?
Okay, sample na natin ang fried pork,
Pork chop.
fried chicken, fried beef, at yung pinaka-common, french fries.
Yes.
And hamburger.
Tama. It's everywhere pa naman. No?
Ang daming mga food chains ngayon, okay, na nag-o-offer ng mga french fries. At ang french fries daw talaga, sobrang dami ng cholesterol.
So, cholesterol po, Dok, parang it gets thrown around. Lagi ko po narinig yung cholesterol.
Okay.
Pero paano po ba siya nakaka-affect?
A few months back, madalas akong nakakaramdam ng pamamalit ng mga braso, tapos hindi din maganda yung tulog ko. I know something was wrong with me, with my body. Siyempre, pag gano'n, medyo naapektuhan din yung performance ko sa work. So, I had myself checked by my doctor. There, we found out na mataas na pala yung cholesterol level ko. Naresetahan niya ako ng mga mapababa ng cholesterol.
Last month, nung sinundo ko yung mga anak ko sa learning center, bigla na lang ako nahilo. And that's when I found out na high blood pala ako. The doctor also advised me na magpa-ECG ako dahil nabanggit ko nga sa kanya na napapadalas yung paninikip ng bibig ko at mabilis akong hingalin at mapako. Sa ECG, nakita na may ischemia ko. The doctor also said na kapag hindi ito inagapan, it would lead to heart attack. At doon ako pinaka-natatakot.
Pag mataas kasi ang cholesterol level natin sa blood vessels natin, especially sa blood of course, ang nangyayari dyan yung cholesterol, dumidikit sa blood vessel wall natin. And what will happen? Ito yung word na atherosclerosis. Yung atherosclerosis kasi, Ani, pag kumapan yung blood vessels natin dito, yung atherosclerosis, yung lumen or opening ng blood vessel, sikit.
Ano pong nangyayari doon?
Yan, number 1, hypertension.
Yung mga high blood. Ganun po
High
yun?
blood.
Okay.
And I'm sure, pati kamag-anak mo, maraming may high blood, di ba?
Yes. So, ang dami pong nagkakaroon ng mga hypertension ngayon.
Tama.
Are they at risk po sa mga heart disease and stroke?
Definitely. Dikit-dikit na yan eh. Kaya nga sabi nila, if you will suffer from hypertension, yung risk mo for stroke and heart attack, tumataas na rin syempre. Kaya ito ang alarming. Okay? The youngest client I've seen who died from sudden cardiac death was only 18 years old.
Siyempre, as a mother, one of the biggest fears would be yung magkasakit ka because your children need you. They depend on you. I mean, it's not about my life. It's about my children and my family. Kasi, paano na sila pag nawala ako?
I found out na meron na nga nagsisimulang pagbabara sa mga blood ko. So, in-advise nila ako to try and take this VitaDrain kasi daw it dilates the arteries.
So, aside from dun sa nireseta sa akin ng doktor, I looked around for other supplements and then I found this VitaDrain online.
If you would like to protect your cardiovascular system, I will suggest inom ka nito. Okay? VitaDrain.
Ayan. So, paano po siya nakakatulong sa heart health?
Okay, sa cardiovascular system. Okay, game! Ang pinaka-component talaga nito is Lipovera.
Lycovera. So, ano po yung Lycovera?
Lyco means lycopene, and vera is resveratrol.
Oh, resveratrol. Parang
Yes.
medyo narinig ko na nga po siya somewhere.
When we talk about trans-resveratrol, okay, ito yung tinatawag na Resvida, the first major component ng ating Vitatrain. According to clinical studies done around the world, if we will drink 30 or 90 or 270 milligrams of Resvida, isang oras pa lang ani, yung blood vessel natin will dilate by approximately 62 to 91%.
Okay, so, ano pong ibig sabihin ng dilate?
Okay, luluwag yung blood vessels natin. So just try to imagine, pag lumuwag yan, tutulong siya para yung blood pressure mo ay
Bumaba.
very good. So just try to imagine this. If you have a client suffering from hypertension at umiinom ng gamot na binibigay ng doktor at sinabayan mo nito, tumutulong yung ating produkto to help normalize the blood pressure.
So yun, I started taking Vitatrain, and in my experience, after taking it in a week, twice daily, okay na yung pakiramdam ko. Actually, na-normalize na yung cholesterol levels ko, naging normal na rin yung pagtulog ko, nawala na rin yung pumamalit ng mga braso ko, and of course, back to normal na yung work performance ko.
So, I got it, and I tried it for myself. In just over a week, ramdam ko kagad yung effect sa katawan ko. I surprisingly felt normal na, and every time na nagpapacheck ako ng blood pressure ko, normal na rin siya. I mean, for the whole duration of time that I was drinking Vida, naging normal yung BP ko, so I decided to continue drinking it.
Sabi sa studies again, done worldwide, if we will drink 75 milligrams of Resvida, and I would like to inform you, Annie, ang isang sachet nito, 90 milligrams kagad.
So parang mas above po siya dun sa requirements.
Oo, about sa requirements ha. Sabi nila, drink it every day. Okay, within 6 weeks to 8 weeks onwards. Ang mangyari, sustained dilation ng blood vessels by additional 23%.
So it means mas lalo kong luluwag.
Luluwag pa. So, ibig sabihin talaga niyan, tumutulong siya para i-normalize, okay? Tulungang i-normalize yung blood pressure natin.
Okay.
Resvida.
Opo.
Number one function yun, Ani. Now, good news, Ani. Hindi lang dilation ng blood vessels. Marami pa siyang function. Number two, it can also help normalize blood sugar.
You mean it will be beneficial din po sa mga diabetes?
Very good.
Okay.
Why? Ang dami ng mga diabetic ngayon. Bakit? Mahilig kumain ng
Sweet.
sweets. So, drink this one and pati blood sugar natin, tutulungan niyang i-normalize. Pangatlo, it will increase your metabolism.
Now, I've been taking it for about 3 months, and sobrang okay yung pakiramdam ko. Tuloy-tuloy ko lang yung pag-inom ng Vitatrain para ma-maintain ko yung normal cholesterol levels ko. At ang napansin ko pa dito, dun sa almost 3 months na tinitake ko yung Vitatrain, bumaba yung timbang ko. Kasi one of the benefits pala ng pag-inom ng Vitatrain ay yung pagpapabilis ng metabolism mo. Kaya sobrang okay sa akin itong Vitatrain, kaya keep on taking it para ma-maintain ko yung normal condition ng body.
Kaya for me, this Vitatrain is heaven sent. It's heaven sent for a mom like me. I mean, I have more energy for me to play with my kids and not worry about my blood pressure or my heart condition. I trust that Vitatrain does what it needs to do to make and keep my health in totally good condition.
Well, good news again, Nani. Ang ginamit dito is stevia. It's not sugar, but it is 300 times sweeter than sugar.
Kaya pala matamis pa din siya.
Tama. And good news, according to US FDA, naku, safe gamitin po ito. Mataas din po ang level ng antioxidants, ng anti-cancer ng stevia, ng Vitatrain natin.
So it doesn't just prevent heart disease, pati po cancer?
Definitely.
Maganda pala talaga.
So good. So sabi nga po natin, if you would like to be healthy, ito yung dapat mong ininom. And again, one more thing I would like to mention to you, it is FDA registered.
So ibig sabihin, legit po talaga.
Legit,
no?
yeah. Sabi nga po natin, if you would like to entice people, pag tayo po ay nag-promote ng produkto, dapat talaga FDA registered yan.
Para safe.
Para safe. So to sum it up, how can we be healthy? Anong number one dapat gawin natin?
Of course, lifestyle,
Lifestyle
with
is?
proper exercise,
Exercise.
and proper sleep.
And of course,
Siyempre po, diet.
diet. And finally,
Drink Vida.
drink Vida. So guys, if you would like to be healthy, drink Vida every day. I'm Dr. Vilena with my partner
Hi!
saying thank you very much.